Today we talk about how can you change your email address on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here. When you just click in this sign here, so then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on email address, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Before that you have to add your, you have here a list to you click on resume to send to your code. It's going to show for you like this. Add your new email address, then you click on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.